Hello friends, this is Veronica and you know what time it is. It is cafecito time. Hello everyone, my name is Veronica. Welcome to my channel, House of Cid, where I make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and everything from the wonderful world of coffee. So if you're a coffee lover like me, make sure you subscribe. And if you like these videos, give them a like. Help our video and our channel grow. We want to get to that 5,000 subscriber mark so we could give away another machine, another Nespresso machine. Okay, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I know I've talked about in my other videos. If you haven't watched them, go back and watch them. Since I've gotten this new cutie machine, Vertuo Pop. So it's basically a Vertuo Next machine, but they call it the Pop because of the pop of color, and it's a little bit smaller. I haven't done my full review of it yet, but I will. I think I've had it for almost 2 months now, so I think I'm ready to do a full-on review. But the first machine I ever bought was the Nespresso Vertuo Plus. So basically this machine, they brew the same capsules except for a few. There's a few that will only brew on the pop machine, but for the most part, both machines are the same. They both brew the Vertuo capsules. It has the little barcode there. That's how they know, how much water to brew it with, if it's a espresso, coffee, lungo, all that stuff. But today I wanted to do a test because I've noticed when I brewed coffee on the next machine, the crema is so much more, like a lot more. So I wanted to do just a test to see the differences between the crema brewing with the both machines. So I have the same capsules. This one is La Cumplida Refinada, a double espresso, which was my one of my very least favorite capsules that I've ever reviewed. So I still have some from like almost a year or more ago. So most likely not gonna drink these. So instead of just letting them sit there, we're gonna use them for a little test today. So I'm gonna brew them both at the same time on these machines, or we're gonna kind of see the difference. And then I'll also do the temperature just to see if there's a difference in the temperature of the coffee in both machines. So same coffee I'm brewing. As you can see, La Completa Refinada, and these are, this is a double espresso. So I'm gonna put that there. And the difference with this machine is you just go like this and it closes. This one, you have to turn the little knob and it pops up. And then you press it down and turn it all the way to the end to make sure it's locked. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to press it at the exact same time as best as I can, and we're going to see the difference in the amount of crema foam these machines create, okay? So I have the same capsule. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. The Vertuo Plus is taking a lot longer to spin and brew. This one started spinning and brewing a lot quicker. Very interesting. Still dripping. Okay, so this test is maybe not, so let's see. It's about the same. So for this capsule, it looks like the Vertuo Pop actually did brew just a little bit more. Okay, now let's do the temperature. And this is not scientific by any means. So about 124 degrees. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in the, so about 133 degrees. So my little unscientific experiment is the Vertuo Plus is hotter than the Vertuo Next. Crema wise, looks like it's about the same, slightly more on the pop machine, but not too much. So let's see what we get with the other kind of coffee. Okay, so that was a little interesting experiment. So not too much difference crema-wise in the machines, but the Vertuo Pop definitely started brewing way faster than the Vertuo Plus. So I don't know if it's because this machine is older, but this one started brewing way faster. Okay, and then temperature wise, the Vertuo Plus was quite a few degrees hotter. This one was about 122 and this was about 134, so almost a full 10 degrees difference. Let's see if it's the same with another capsules. Okay, so for our next experiment, I'm going to brew the 7.77 ounce capsule. This is just a regular coffee size. This is the sweet vanilla. This is a newer coffee capsule. The ones I did for the double espresso was old. That's at least 1.5 years. I don't know, maybe even 2 years old. I don't know. But let's see if there's a difference with the newer capsules, okay? So I have my cup. We have our cups. Both machines are on, so like I said, I'm doing the sweet vanilla. This is a new Barista Creations. I just did a review. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch it. But let's see the difference in the crema and the foam and also in the temperature. One thing I love about this machine, just touch it gently and it closes and opens. Okay, you guys ready? Let's see what results we get with this one. Okay, I'm gonna press it at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if the same thing happens. Which one? That one's dripping. This one dripped a little bit too. Okay, see, this one definitely comes out. Vertuo Pop is faster. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Vertuo Pop all the way full to the top. And this is the Vertuo Plus, not full to the top. So definitely with these newer capsules, as you can see, the pop definitely makes more crema. Plus, Vertuo Plus did not fill up the cup. Vertuo Pop filled up the cup. Okay, let's see temperature now. This is the pop. So about 132. Oh, there it goes, 134. Oh, way, got hotter. Okay. That got way hot. Way hot. Okay, let's cool this one down a bit. Okay, this is the plus. Let's see what the plus does. Okay, holding steady, about 158, 62. Oh, 162. So it seems like the 64, 65. It seems like the Vertuo Plus is hotter from my little unscientific experiment. Vertuo Plus brews hotter and less crema. Vertuo Pop is a little bit degrees, a few degrees less than the Vertuo Plus. Not as hot, but definitely gives you more crema. But see, it's starting to kind of shrink. You see, you could still see the difference in the crema. A lot of crema, not so much crema. Oh my God. Yeah, I could totally tell just from tasting it. This is my total non-scientific experiment, but I just tasted the coffees. The plus one is definitely not as hot. This one is really hot. I could tell right away just from tasting it. It kind of burned my tongue a little bit. So that's my video for today. Just wanted to show you the differences between the Vertuo Pop machine, you know, the brew time. As you saw, Vertuo Pop brews really, really fast. You turn it on. Once it's ready, you put in the capsule, hit start, and it starts to brew pretty much instantly. The Vertuo Plus, it does take a little bit longer, it seems, to spin and start brewing. So I'm assuming a little bit different technologies here. Crema, you're gonna get a lot more crema in the regular coffees, it seems, with the Vertuo Pop. And temperature wise, Vertuo Plus seems to be a few degrees hotter than the Pop. So both machines are great. I think it just depends on, you know, your space. This one is definitely going to be a lot smaller. If you have a lot of space, you could probably get the bigger machine. And this one, like I said in my other videos, you will be able to brew the extra large coffees and the pour over coffee with the necks. So that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little different video, just kind of experimenting with the machines. And if you like these videos, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and we hope to see you in our next video. Enjoy your cafecito. Bye.